Camelback stretching begins on all fours. Slowly arch the lower back by bringing the chest and upper torso closer to the floor. Make sure you keep your elbows straight as you sag your back. Do not shift your weight forward or backwards. Then tuck the stomach and arch the back upward to allow your back to hunch like a cat. The goal is to do it segmentally by starting the arching in the lower back and working your way up slowly to the mid-back. The double knee to chest stretch begins with you lying on your back with knees bent up for support. Interlace the hands behind the knees or on top of the knees. Gently pull the knee into the chest until a comfortable stretch is felt in the low back and buttocks area. Make sure to keep the back relaxed. Remember to only stretch to the point that a gentle stretch is felt. Do not stretch to the point of pain. This can do more harm than good. Prone press-ups begin with lying on your stomach. Place your hands in front of you. Rise up 2 hands by straightening your elbows, pressing the upper body upward while keeping the front part of your hips in contact with the surface. Keep the lower back and buttocks relaxed. Begin in a standing erect posture. You may place your hands on your pelvis to facilitate the motion. Flatten your lower back by tightening abdominal muscles. As you do this, notice how the front part of your pelvis rocks upward toward your ribs. One analogy is to imagine that you are tightening your abdominals as if you were putting on a tight pair of pants. Then relax the abdominals and arch the back and dome the abdominals out. Hamstring stretching lying down starts with the knee bent and attempt to straighten the knee until a comfortable stretch is felt in the back of the thigh. If it is difficult to interlace the hands behind the knee, then you may use a towel or a belt. To perform hip extension in prone, begin by lying on your stomach. Tighten the muscles on the front of the thigh, then lift the leg from the surface, keeping the knee locked. Avoid arching in your back. Lift the leg as high as tolerable without twisting your back.
Check with your doctor or therapist before performing any exercises or stretching to be sure these exercises are within your ability. Be sure to understand the correct technique before performing any exercises. Should you experience any pain while performing any exercise, stop immediately.